Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how we use an if statement to build a better calculator in Python. So we saw on the previous tutorial that a if statement is just a condition that you declare in your file so that Python can use those conditions to with the task for you. So if the condition is good, Python execute. If the condition is not still good, Python will say the condition is not good and then give you the feedback, the result. So we're going to see how we use the if statement and build a calculator in Python. So first what do is to take input for the user. So we're going to declare our variable by taking input on the user. So I go to declare my variable, for example, x. I can say x, for example, x1 equal, and then this is how we put the input Python. And input, I open the double colon, I ask to, for example, enter first number. If I leave the input like this, Python going to recognize this as a string. So the string is a alphabetical word. So because we're going to use a calculator, we need a number, an integer. So a number. So to do that, I have to add a float right here. Can define this like float. This is how we use a float. Yeah, like this float, and then come and close it right here. Close it, and close it for right here. Oh, let's come back again. Yeah, close it right here. That's it. And then I'm going to use another input for the operator. So I can say op for operator. So the operator is different operator than we use on calculator. For example, the plus sign, the negative sign, the multiplication, the division. So I put the condition with this variable. I can say operator. For operator, I can say operator equal, and then also use the input. I can see here enter operator. So you need to take care of the indentation here. Python going to and then after the operator we can take another number, x2 equal, and then we use the float 2 input. That's it. Enter second, and the second number. Now I need to use the if statement right here. The if statement, I can say here, if statement is a condition, I can say if operator equal, for example, a plus sign. I say use. So if operator is equal to the plus sign, the red line means that is something wrong. So I'll finish this and then I'm going to fix that. If operator is that, is the plus sign print, and like x1 plus x2, and then I can declare another if statement else if. This another if statement is f is if operator equal to this sign, negative sign, minus sign, print x1 minus x2. Okay, who's the if statement, else if is operator equal sign again, division, this print x2 x1 divided by x2, and maybe you can say x2, so it's not just matter. Another if, else, another condition, f is, so we're going to use 3 operator here. If operator equal multiplication, this one, I think I have to use this. No, multiplication, this print x1 multiplied by x2, and then I can use the last one, else. So else is to say that if none of those conditions is good, and then I ask Python to print and invalid operator, ask Python to print invalid operator if none of those are true. So let's run it and see. Python says syntax error, invalid syntax. Maybe you mean this, so Python tell you that you can suggest me to use this one. So let's use a double sign here, equal, okay, disappear, equal, okay, equal, okay, equal, that's it. So let's try to make it more visible so that you see what is. Let's put the space on each line so that you can see what is about. No, let's go back this one. Yeah, this one, this condition, and that one are the same. Let's put this condition with string like this. Okay. Okay, and the else. Okay, let's run and see what Python's due to us. Okay, Python asked me enter number, maybe I put 3, enter operator, put plus, enter another number, plus 3, 6. You see our calculator is working. So let's use one more time for all the sign to see. Let's use we use addition. Let's use subtraction. Enter number 10. This sign minus 2 or 3, 7. Nice work. Let's use other sign. We use this division. Let's use 9.5 divided by 2. Division. Let's operator by 2. Why is invalid operator? This is not working. It's give me invalid operator for this. Yeah, I know why. Because you see the space right here, 2 more space. So I need to follow this indentation normally, like this. Okay, let's try to run again. Let's use 9.5 divide 2, 4.75. That's good. 4.75. See, that was a mistake because I didn't respect the indentation right here. So our calculator is looking good. Let's use the last one, multiplication. 5 multiply by, there's a sign right here, by 5. 25. You see, our calculator is working great. This is why Python series. So let's use a wrong operator. So this means a wrong sign. You see, like I use a wrong sign over there, it's a invalid operator. So let's use, for example, 4, and then the operator, I put some operator that does not exist, like let's put this pound sign, and then 1, invalid operator. Thank you guys for watching this, and this is how we use Python if statement in Python to build a better calculator. So you can do this at home. You can try to add more other operator to make your calculator more strong. So Python going to read all this. If you download all the function that Python need, you can build a very good calculator. This is how we build a calculator, or the real calculator in life. We use the software like this, and then put all the condition inside, and then that's it. How it's work. Thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this.